Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, unfortunately, in the bearish direction. And first thing I'm going to do here is a little update, just get that line out of there. Sure, that level still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first dynamic here that needs to be changed is, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that rule states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, right around that 1950 mark was that area of support. But after the price broke down below it this morning, again, according to the rule, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what's played out. So the price broke down below it. Then if you look closely, the next couple of candles, try to get back above it, couldn't quite do it. So my point here is that not that, 1950 can ever, never, ever be broken again. But if there is going to be any sort of, potential of getting back on the trajectory that the price was on, then the price, step number one is the price getting back up above 1950. So we'll definitely want to keep a close eye on that moving forward. So 1950, public enemy number one in terms of levels of resistance. So keep a close eye on that. Now, what about levels of support? Well, the first level of support that revealed itself quite a bit today was down here at $18.70. You can see that a couple of times in the morning, price bounced off it, and then again in the afternoon bounced above it. So you want to keep an eye on that. If that level cannot quite hold up as support, then the next level of support you would want to then turn your attention to would be that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and that's currently valued at, we'll just call it $17.90. So yeah, today was a pretty rough day. In a rough way to end the week, but we'll see what happens and see if things can start to get themselves turned around or not next week. And again, that first step in turning things around is getting back up above 1950. So we'll see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.